Why is Amazon dominating the headlines today? Let's delve into the key highlights of their recent earnings report, excluding the usual political mentions, to bring you the stock-related content you crave. Amazon just obliterated all expectations this quarter. The company reported outstanding results, leaving investors and analysts in awe. This quarter raised important questions about the growth stabilization of Amazon Web Services, AWS, especially in light of strong performances by competitors like Microsoft. Google, on the other hand, experienced a significant slowdown, resulting in a more than 10% drop in their stock. Amazon, however, was the star of the show. Amazon's financials tell a fascinating story of growth and profitability. Net sales soared, marking a 133% increase year-over-year, with the majority of revenue stemming from North America. Operating income also displayed a stellar performance, surging from $2.5 billion in Q3 2022 to a staggering $11.18 billion in the current quarter. Net income followed suit, rising by 244% year-over-year to reach $9.87 billion. Breaking it down by segments, North America's sales surged by 11% year-over-year, with a stunning turnaround from last year's $412 million loss to a $4.3 billion profit. The international segment is inching closer to profitability, with a 96% reduction in losses and a 16% year-over-year growth in net sales. AWS, while maintaining a 12% growth rate, showcased a robust 29% increase in operating income, reaching $6.97 billion for the quarter. The most striking aspect of Amazon's performance is its remarkable shift towards positive free cash flow. In Q2, they achieved positive free cash flow, and this trend continued to soar in Q3. It's a testament to Amazon's increasing profitability. Amazon's revenue streams paint a picture of a company firing on all cylinders. Physical stores saw a 6% year-over-year growth, third-party seller services increased by 20%, subscription services rose by 14%, and advertising continued its impressive 26% growth, reaching a substantial $12 billion. These numbers are a testament to Amazon's ability to thrive in challenging environments. AWS, Amazon's cloud computing platform, witnessed a 12% year-over-year increase in revenue. While the growth rate might seem stable, what's even more significant is the 29% increase in operating income, demonstrating the profitability of this segment. AWS now operates at an annual revenue run rate of around $92 billion. Amazon's operating expenses increased year-over-year, but this didn't hinder their overall operating income, which showcased a significant improvement. Their guidance for the next quarter suggests strong net sales growth and an impressive surge in operating income, promising a bright future for the company. Amazon's valuation metrics are also worth considering. The price-to-earnings (P/E) ratio has lowered from 37 to approximately 32 times after these earnings, reflecting the company's growing profitability. Furthermore, the price-to-free cash flow ratio is expected to decline significantly in the coming quarters. Amazon's earnings call shed light on the future of AWS. Amazon is witnessing a surge in closed deals, particularly in the last few months, which is not yet reflected in the numbers. These developments could lead to exponential growth in the future. Amazon believes that the majority of global IT spending still remains on-premises, and as the cloud computing paradigm shifts, AWS is poised to benefit enormously. Moreover, Amazon sees a massive opportunity in AI, which could contribute tens of billions of dollars in revenue to AWS over the next few years. This demonstrates the company's forward-thinking approach and its ability to seize emerging opportunities. The earnings call also discussed the improvement in AWS margins. Margins increased by 600 basis points quarter-over-quarter, and operating income surged by $1.6 billion during the same period. However, it's important to note that AWS margins may fluctuate, and Q4 results might not be as rosy as Q3 due to various variables, including energy costs. Lastly, a quick glance at Amazon's stock price reveals that it's currently trading at around $125. While this week hasn't been great for Amazon or other companies, the stock price remains relatively stable. It's crucial to keep an eye on the RSI, which is currently at 44, indicating a neutral position. Amazon's strong performance in this quarter's earnings, combined with their aggressive expansion plans in AWS and AI, make it a compelling investment choice. While its traditional valuation metrics may not scream bargain, the company's consistent improvement quarter after quarter suggests that it's well on its way to justifying its valuation. Now, I invite all you everyday Americans to share your thoughts on Amazon's stellar performance in the comments below. Do you believe Amazon is a wise investment, or do you have reservations? Let's engage in a discussion about this financial giant. Disclaimer: the content provided here is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information. And it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.